Hi, my name is Dairo. I'm the CEO of CKDIGITAL. A lot of people ask questions about UI UX design. It's not something that they are very familiar with, so in this video I want to quickly answer as many questions as possible about UI UX design. UI UX design basically means designing beautiful and effective interfaces. By interfaces, I mean what the website looks like, what the app looks like, what it feels like interacting with the platform. There are basically three ways to make money as a UI UX designer. One, you could work in an agency that provides website design service or app development service. You work as a UI UX designer in such a company. Secondly, you can become a freelancer. You can post your service on websites such as freelancer.com, Upwork, Fiverr, and other freelancing sites. You get projects and people pay you per project that you work on. Thirdly, you can decide to start your own agency. Either you focus strictly on UI UX design or you add additional services such as website design and others. To become a UI UX designer, what you basically need is a laptop and design software. Design software, there are many free design software such as Figma, such as Adobe XD, and there are also others that you pay for such as Adobe Photoshop, Sketch, Principle, and others. How much you make as a UI UX designer depends on the approach you take. If you work at an agency, some agencies pay as much as 50,000 naira while you're learning. When you become more skilled and valuable to them, some pay 100,000, 150,000, 200,000, 250,000 naira, even more depending on the particular agency that you're working at. If you decide to become a freelancer, when you upload your service to all these different websites, the amount you can make is totally up to you, depending on how many jobs you can work on, how many jobs you can actually get. As an agency, you are able to make significantly more because you are able to actually have a team. You can train other people and work on multiple projects at the same time, either from customers directly or by collaborating with people that are developing apps while you just provide a UI UX design service. To get the skills required to make you a UI UX designer, you have a couple of options. First, you can go to YouTube and search for free videos on UI design tutorials. Of course, you must have first installed the software. Secondly, you can use online training platforms such as Coursera, such as Udemy, and all the others, and get a training on UI design or UX design. You can also, if you prefer a more practical approach, a more hands-on approach, you can opt in for a training academy such as CKDIGITAL Academy, where you have one-on-one interaction with the person actually teaching you. You can ask questions, you can get your answers, you can get your questions answered, and if that works for you, then a training academy is your best option. Alright, so I hope you found that useful. Thank you very much for listening.